Hello children, today we are going to learn our grammar topic, the tense. As we have completed our parts of speech, then punctuation we have done, then sentences. Okay, so now today we are going to see the tense. Okay, the tenses we are going to see. Now, what does the tense means? So children, tense means the time of happening or doing work. What is the meaning of tense? Tense means the time of happening or doing work. Okay, and what it shows the time of an action. What does the tense shows? It shows the time of an action. Okay, now suppose I am writing. Now this is my action is going on. So here what we are doing, we are learning about tenses today. So we can say children that there are 3 tense. Okay, how many tense are there? There are 3 tense. So there are 3 tense. Okay, so our first one is, we will see, first is our present tense, then we can say past, and then third one is future tense. Okay, so first is our present tense, then past tense, and then future tense. So what is the meaning of tense? The tense means the time of happening or doing work. It shows the time of an action. Okay, so there are 3 tenses. Okay, so which are the tenses? That is present tense, past tense, and future tense. I hope you are clear with the meaning. What is the meaning of tense? Verb changes. In tenses, what happened, children? Verb changes the form. Okay, what happened? Verbs change its form. Okay, verb changes the forms to tell us when an action is happened. Okay, now one by one we will see the tenses. First we will go with present tense. Now what is the meaning of, see, present, past, future. Present tense, what is the meaning of present tense? The time which is going on now. Now I am sitting and writing. So this is the past tense. Now I am writing, I am explaining you. So that is the present tense. Okay, so what is present tense? A verb that refers to present time is said to be in present tense. Okay, so what is present tense? A verb that refers to present time is said to be in present tense. Like example, we can say, I go to school. Okay, you can say the example, I go to school, I see him. So like this example you can see. Yes, so children, we have done present tense. So present tense is a verb that refers to present time is said to be in present tense. So examples we have done, I go to school, I see him. So next we are going to see past tense. Now what is past tense? A verb that refers to past time is said to be in the past tense. So what it is given? A verb that refers to past time is said to be in the past tense. Like example, I saw him, I went to school. Here we have written the sentence, I go to school. So here go is your present tense. So in past tense it will become I went to school. Here we have done I went to school. So go will become went. Same way, second one is I see him. In present tense it is see, so your see will become saw. I saw him. So see will become saw in your past tense. So past tense is what? The things that has been happened, the things we have been, the action is been happened. So that is your past tense. Okay, so past tense is a verb that refers to past time, is said to be in the past tense. The things which has been happened, the actions which has been done, that is your past tense, children. Okay, so next we are going to do, that is our future tense. So future tense, a verb that refers to future time, is said to be in the future tense. Like children, all of you are aware with this word future. Like you say, in future I will do this, in future I will become that. So like that you people discuss. So you know the word future. So what is the meaning of future? A verb that refers to future time is said to be in the future tense. Example, I will, or you can write shall. I will or shall see him. Like here in this you have written in present tense, I see him. So in past it is I saw him. So in future tense you will write I will or shall see him. In future means the things which has been going to happen. Okay, that is our future tense. Like tomorrow what we are going to do, what we will do, that is your future tense. So same way, second is I will go to school tomorrow. Like that, I shall go to school. See, I will or shall you can write I will go to school, or you can write I shall go to school. So in future tense we have to write will or shall, the things which has been going to happen, that we are going to do. So same way, next in here book it is given. See, just I will refer the book also. So what it is given, the tense, we will just revise is, tense means the time of happening or doing work. It shows the time of an action. Now here the same examples are given, like Ravi goes to school. So this is the present tense. Ravi went to school. So this is past tense. Ravi will go to school. So this is our future tense. So here only that examples are given, explanation is given. In the sentence 1, the verb goes refer to the present time, then the verb went refers to past time, and the verb will go refers to our future time. Okay, so now we have learned today our present tense, past tense and future tense. Okay, some more example we will see. Like here it is, now we have done our present, past and future. So example, suppose the word is work. So in past, work will become worked. Then in future, I shall work. Drink. So present tense is our drink. I drink water. Then in past it will come I drank water. And in future, I will drink water. Like that examples you can write. So same way, keep will become kept. And then I shall keep. Then I eat, I ate. Eat will become ate in past tense. Then in future tense, I shall eat. Same way, fifth one is talk. So talk will become talked. I shall talk, or I will talk. Here you can write it. Okay, so talk will become your talked, will talk. Okay, so your present tense refers to your today, and past tense is your yesterday, what the action has been happened, done, and future is tomorrow, what are the things or the actions which has been going to be done in future, that is our future tense. So we have done with our present tense, past tense and future tense. So today, yesterday and tomorrow. I hope children all of you are clear with the tenses, the tense and the three tenses what we have learned. So thank you.